Good morning, children. Keep your cameras on, children. Nobody will switch off the
Morning,
camera.
ma'am.
We keep your cameras on, otherwise I will remove you from the meeting. I don't want anybody without cameras in the class.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, children. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning,
Everybody to switch on the cameras. Without cameras on, I will remove you from the meeting. Please keep your cameras on, children. Keep your
Good
cameras.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good
Bhavya.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Cameras on, otherwise you are out of the meeting. Shreyansh, Siddhi, Nishchal, Kushagra, Harsh. Okay. That's it. Muskan. Muskan, switch on your camera, beta. Okay, very good. Sanskriti, what about you? Switch on the camera, otherwise you.
Yes, ma'am.
Switch on the cameras, bache. Harshvardhan, do we have Harshvardhan also in the class? Cameras on, children. Okay, Nishchal.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning. Okay, have you all marked your attendance on the group class?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am,
That's
one
really
thing.
very good.
Going
Okay.
going to my front.
I hope you all have done the work that I gave you, all those who were there on the 1st of April.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Can anybody repeat the work that was given the other day in the class? Nishal will tell. Nishal was there no in the class? Nishal, were you there? Your camera is not on. Camera, your mobile, your this speaker is not on. Yes, Nishal,
Yes,
you were
ma'am.
there in the class, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell what work was assigned to you people?
Ma'am, I have not last class. I
Arey,
have not done.
were you not there in the physical class that was taken on 1st of April?
Good morning,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Good morning.
I have not in group.
You were not in the group that time. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Beta, those who are there in the class, switch on the cameras, otherwise you are out. Rishabh,
Yes.
Ma'am, can you wait for a second?
I am waiting, but next time I will not allow you without switching on the cameras in the class. I want
Okay,
everybody
ma'am.
here with the cameras on in the class. Okay. This is your civics class, children, right? Abhiraj, camera on, beta.
Yes, ma'am. One second.
हाँ. Sumit, Vanshika, Kushagra, both the Kushagra. Rishabh, camera on, no photo, please. Don't fool your
Ma'am, please
teacher.
wait 2 minutes.
हाँ. Okay. I hope you all have the books with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
yes, beta Kushagra.
ma'am, I don't understand, ma'am. Ma'am, what, ma'am, that books about the civics and history.
Matlab, these are books you will be reading.
Ma'am,
Bache. Yes.
no, ma'am, what is the name of the civics book?
It is Democratic Politics, Part 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Haan.
Ma'am,
Please,
ma'am,
cameras
I
on.
was confused that,
The
ma'am.
camera on, Kushagra. Keep your cameras on. Parth. Yes, that's it. Priyanshi, Kushagra. Sing and sing. Gautam and the other one. Please, cameras on. Aryan, Siddhi, Sumit, Anushka, Om Patel. Keep your cameras on, bache. Otherwise, I'll remove you from the meeting. There is no point listening, putting the, entering the meeting and not interacting in the class.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, this one book.
Yes, this is democratic politics. Very good.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, everybody has no. See, we'll be doing this chapter. What is democracy? Why democracy? Fine. Fine, class.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now in this chapter we are going to देखो सीधी सी बात है हम लोग बेटा क्लास इतने टाइम से हम लोग डेमोक्रेसी के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पढ़ रहे हैं ना अब आप ये समझ लो इन दिस चैप्टर लाइक इन दिस क्लास क्लास 9
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी
Ma'am, the second chapter, right? What is democracy and why
बेटा
democracy?
first chapter is not included in your curriculum बेटा that chapter was deleted
Okay.
long time back okay this chapter was deleted long time back.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, those who don't have the book, no need to panic. It is fine. If you don't have the books, it is all right. It is perfectly fine. Fine. See, let me tell you, because many were not there the other day, right? Bhavya, Anushka, cameras on, please. Let me tell you about the syllabus that we are going to cover in this class, okay? Chapter 2, that is what is democracy, why democracy we are going to read. Then constitutional design. See, the other day I told you that in what is democracy, why democracy chapter, we are simply going to read about the basic features of democracy, right? You people have done all these things in the previous classes also. So it is not very difficult. Nishal, were you not there in the class when you discussed this?
Ma'am, this is our first class in online way.
I am talking about the offline class the other day when you were there.
Yes, ma'am.
You were there, no?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. This is what I was asking that time. No? See, we will read about, you know what is democracy? Everybody knows?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me what is
Yes, ma'am.
democracy? Priyanshi, can you define democracy for me? Yes. Anybody in the class?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes. Yes, tell Rishabh.
Ma'am, it is the most prevalent form of government, ma'am, in the world today, and and ma'am, it is expanding to more countries.
Okay. Anybody else for the same Kavya? You will tell, beta.
Ma'am, countries which are democratic.
No. What is democracy? What
we
is
are given
democracy? What is democracy? You have to define democracy.
Ma'am, countries which do not have leadership, like one leader or something like that, where everyone is given equal rights.
Okay. What is democracy? Why democracy? See, democracy, if we talk about democracy, it is the most prevalent. This is what Rishabh said, no? That it is the most prevalent form of government.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if it is the most prevalent form of government, what exactly do we have in democracy then? That you need to tell, that you all need to tell. Why democracy?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Kushag, very good. Define.
Can yes, ma'am. Ma'am, democracy is a system, ma'am, in which the government of a country is selected by that country's own people.
Country, exactly. Abhiraj, can you
Simply
try?
people.
Would you like to try, Abhiraj?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we can say that democracy is the freedom to choose your own government, or the government is chosen by the people of the country itself.
Exactly, exactly. See, we all know that democracy is the most prevalent form of government, right? Second thing, why it is most prevalent? Because democracy gives freedom to its citizens to choose their own representatives, right? This is what we have.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Democracy gives freedom to its citizens to choose their own representatives. Why democracy is prevalent in most of the countries, or why most of the countries want to adapt to democracy? Because here the rule is by the people, for the people, and of the people. Right? Democracy is a form of government where there is rule by the people, of the people, and for the people. Like whatever is there, it is everything is by the people itself. That is why democracy is highly demanded form of government. Right? Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Of the people, for the people,
Yes.
by the people. Whatever it is, vice versa also I have written, so it hardly makes any difference. You just need to understand that what exactly is democracy. This much is clear and clear, no class? This is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, very good.
Yes,
Now see, in democracy, when rule is by the people, of the people, and for the people, so what does it exactly means? It means that people are the supreme rulers. They are the rulers. They are the kings, right? In other forms of government other than democracy that we have, can you tell which other form of government we have other than democracy? We have monarchy,
Monarchy.
then
Dictatorship.
dictatorship, right? Monarchy, theocracy, dictatorship. What else?
Ma'am, king is chosen by the
What else do we have? Yes, class? Speak up. What is monarchy, you know?
ma'am, a king is chosen by the people
हाँ.
of
Ma'am,
the
absolute monarchy.
अरे बेटा, एब्सोल्यूट मोनार्की मोनार्की बात एक ही है. मोनार्की का मतलब क्या होता है? जहां
Okay.
पे रूल बाय द किंग होता है, जहां पे एक हेरिडिटरी सक्सेशन होता है, जहां पे एक पीढ़ी के बाद दूसरी पीढ़ी का राजा आता है रूल करने के लिए. राइट राइट निश्चल, इज इट क्लियर?
Yes.
हाँ. तो कह रहा है कि
Yes.
monarchy is a form of government where the king is the ruler, right? And king exercises the supreme power, right? Then in theocracy, what do we have? What is theocracy? What is theocracy, class? Everything.
Can I tell?
We read in class 7th, no, about theocracy, democracy, and
Ma'am,
other.
can I tell?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, a system of government in which priests rule in the name of God. Or
Huh? What did you say?
ma'am, a system. Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, theocracy is the system of government in which priests rule in the name of God.
Exactly, exactly. It is a system where the rule is done by the religious head, right? There is a religious head like
Priests.
Rome. Rome is a theocracy. Do you know?
Iran.
Rome is a theocracy.
Yes.
पता है ना आप लोग को?
Yes, ma'am.
कौन है
Yes,
वहाँ का
ma'am.
religious head?
Yes,
भव्या? Who is the religious head of Rome? Huh?
I don't know. Mom, I don't know.
Anybody? Vatican City, Rome की? Vatican City है ना? Yes, class?
Ma'am, Iran.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, ईरान में है. Then वेटिकन सिटी में है ना? रूल बाय द पोप. यहाँ
Yes,
पे
ma'am.
वेटिकन सिटी में पोप इज द हेड. ओके, पोप इज द हेड. फाइन. ओके भव्या, we'll start reading now, right?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, Saudi Arabia is also having theocratic type of government.
थियोक्रेसी है वहां पे. हाँ, थियोक्रेसी है. We will discuss. I'll tell you. Okay. Bhavya, start reading overview.
Okay.
And continue until I tell you to stop. Okay. Carry on.
Ma'am, can you tell the page number?
Huh?
Ma'am,
23.
Page number.
Page number is 22.
Ma'am, we are also to read
ओवरव्यू ऑल्सो यू नीड टू.
also.
बेटा ओवरव्यू भी पढ़ना होगा आपको. ओवरव्यू भी पढ़ना होगा. ठीक है, पढ़ो. रीड रीड रीड.
Okay. Chapter 2, Constitutional Design Overview. Stated in the previous chapter that in democracy, the rulers are not free to do what they like. There are certain basic rules that the citizens and the government have to follow. All such rules together are called constitution. As supreme of country, the constitution determines the right of citizens, the power of government, and how the government should function. In this chapter, we ask some basic questions about the constitutional design of a democracy. Why do we need a constitution? How are the constitutions drawn up? Who designs them and in what way? What are the values that shape the constitutions in democratic states? Once a constitution is accepted, can we make changes later as required by the changing conditions? A recent instance defining constitution for a democratic state is that of South Africa. We begin this chapter by looking at what happened there and how the South Africans went about this task of designing their constitution. Then we turn to how the Indian constitution was made, what its foundational values are, and how it provides a good framework for the conduct of citizens' life and of the government. Okay. Democratic constitution in South Africa. I have fought against white domination and out against black domination. I have cherished the ideal of a democratic and free society in which all persons live together in harmony and with equal opportunities. It is an ideal which I hope to live for and to achieve. But if needs be, it is an ideal for which I am prepared to die. This was Nelson Mandela being tried for treason by the white South African government. He and 7 other leaders were sentenced to life imprisonment in 1964 for daring to oppose the apartheid regime in his country. He spent the next 28 years in South Africa's most dreaded prison, Robben Island. Struggle against uh, Ma'am, you are not audible.
You are reading constitutional design chapter.
Yes, ma'am. Chapter 2.
No,
Yes, ma'am.
chapter two is what is democracy? Why democracy?
What
Chapter
is
one is
democracy?
what is democracy? Why democracy? I told you to read. No, no problems. No, this is what I was wondering. Where is she reading? I am not able to get it. Chalo, fine. No problems. No issues. No issues. You read from what is democracy? Why democracy? Okay. I think you have the new version of the book. Chapter one is what is democracy? Why democracy only? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
That is why.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I thought you were talking about. Ma'am, I thought you were talking about second chapter.
No. First chapter. Only, first chapter.
Sorry, ma'am.
It's okay. No issues. No issues.
Okay, sorry, ma'am.
No. It's okay. Fine. Read.
Okay, ma'am. Chapter 1. What is democracy? Why democracy? Overview. What is democracy? What are its features? This chapter builds on a simple definition of democracy. Step by step, we work out the meaning of the terms involved in this definition. The aim here is to understand clearly the bare minimum features of a democratic form of government. After going through this chapter, we should be able to distinguish a democratic form of government from a non-democratic government. Towards the end of this chapter, we step beyond this minimal objective and introduce a broader idea of democracy. Democracy is the most prevalent form of government in the world today, and it is expanding to more countries. But why is it so? What makes it better than other forms of government?
Okay, wait, Bhavya. Kumar Parth has to ask something. Yes, Parth?
Ma'am, but in my book, ma'am, these lines are not written.
Where?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, in ma'am democratic politics first.
Beta, we are doing what is democracy, why democracy chapter, right? This you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. That's only.
Yes, ma'am.
So she is reading from why define
Oh,
democracy.
ma'am,
Ma'am, I think ma'am
overview.
she is reading from overview.
Acha,
Yes,
overview we are
ma'am.
reading. Overview must be there in your books as well.
Ma'am, but it is
Yes, ma'am.
different.
It is
Yes,
Yes,
different.
ma'am. Ma'am, it is different.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is it written?
Ma'am, it is written the stories and the analysis in the previous chapter gave us a
Ma'am,
sense
wait.
of what is democracy.
Half of the paragraph is same.
Half is same. Maybe I think these few lines, I think rest is what is democracy? What are its features? This chapter builds on a simple definition of democracy. I think this also is written.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, in
ma'am.
our book, ma'am, she is in the overview, ma'am, she is in the second last line.
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, but it is, ma'am, but she has just started.
No issues. Actually, see, the reprints which are there or the new books that are there, they are different. Some of you must be having the old books, right? In the old books, certain things are not there. Reason being, the first chapter, which is in the old book, is first chapter has been deleted from the syllabus. So because of that deletion, the content of that chapter are not included in the first chapter, right?
Mm,
Right? This is the issue. No problems,
Okay,
bacha.
ma'am.
At all. Carry on, Bhavya.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, may I start from what is democracy?
You start from here. What is democracy?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. What is democracy? You have already read about different forms of government. On the basis of your understanding of democracy so far, mentioning a few examples, write down some common features of democratic government, non-democratic governments. Why define democracy? Before we proceed further, let us first take note of an objection by Mary. She does not like this way of defining democracy and wants to ask some basic questions. Her teacher, Matilda Ligdo, Lingdo responds to her questions as other classmates join the discussion. Mary, ma'am, I don't like this idea. First, we spend time discussing democracy and then we want to find out the meaning of democracy. I mean, logically, shouldn't we have approached it the other way round? Shouldn't the meaning have come first and then the example? Lying down, madam. I can see your point, but that is not how we reason in everyday life. We use words like pen, rain, or love. Do we wait to have a definition of these words before we use them? Come to think of it, do we have clear definition of these words? It is only by using a word that we understand its meaning. Marry. But but then why do we need definitions at all? Lingdo, madam. We need a definition only when we come across a difficulty in the use of a word. We need a definition of rain only when we wish distinguish it from, say, drizzle or cloudburst. The same is true for democracy. We need a clear definition only because people use it for different purposes, because very different kinds of governments call themselves democracy. Ribi Ang. But why do we need to work on a definition? The other day you quoted Abraham Lincoln to us. Democracy is government of the people, by the people, and for the people. We in Meghalaya always ruled ourselves. This is accepted by everyone. Why do we need to change that? Lingdor, madam, I'm not saying we need to change it. I too find this definition very beautiful. But we don't know if This is the best way of defining unless we think about it ourselves. We must not accept something because it is famous, just because everyone accepts it. Uh, Yolanda, ma'am, can I suggest something? We don't need to look for any definition. I read somewhere that the word democracy comes from a Greek word, demokratia. In Greek, demos means people and kratia means rule. So democracy is rule by the people. This is the correct meaning. Where is the need to debate? Lingdor, madam, this is also a very helpful way of thinking about this matter. I would just say that this does not always work. A word does not remain tied to its origin. Just think of computers. Originally, they were used for computing. This is this is to say calculating very difficult mathematical sums. These were very powerful calculators, but nowadays very few people use computers for computing sums. They use them for writing, for designing, for listening to music and watching films. Words remain the same, but their meaning can change with time. In that case, it is not very useful to look at the origins of a word. Marry. Ma'am, so basically, what you are saying is that there is no shortcut to our thinking about the matters ourselves. We have to think about its meaning and evolve a definition. Lingdor, madam, you got me right. Let us get on with it now. A simple definition. Let us get back to our discussion on similarities and differences among governments that are called
Wait,
democracies.
wait.
Okay, now.
Thank you so much, bacha. Okay, tell me, class, what she has read up till now here. It is very clear that we are talking about democracy, and democracy is a government which is for the people, of the people, by the people, right? This is the simple
Yes,
definition
ma'am.
that we have, understood from the conversation that was going on between the student and the teacher, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in this chapter, we are exclusively going to read about the features.
Ma'am, in this whole conversation, ma'am, they are just talking about the definition.
Yes, in the whole discussion, conversation that was there between the student and the teacher, they were completely discussing about democracy only, right? Various aspects of it, the student wanted to make it very clear and was asking the doubts that the child had, right? So, after this, we come to a conclusion that in this chapter, we are going to read about what is democracy. What is democracy? Democracy is a rule by the people, for the people, and of the people, right? Simple definition. Now, why only democracy? I told you, because democracy is the only form of government where the people are given all the liberties. आप देखो, monarchy में there are no rights given to the people. Dictatorship में भी कोई ऐसा कोई जो है powers नहीं होती है लोगों के पास. They cannot, oppose. They cannot voice anything that is wrong. They cannot voice for that, right? किसी की भी गलत चीज के अगेंस्ट आवाज नहीं उठा सकते वो लोग, है ना? तो ये सब चीजें is not allowed in any other form of government, but only in democracy it is allowed. ठीक है? This much understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, अब वो ये कह रहा है कि जो
Yes,
डेमोक्रेसी होती है, हाँ, जो डेमोक्रेसी होती है उसके कुछ बेसिक फीचर्स होती हैं, उसकी कुछ क्वालिटीज होती हैं जिसकी वजह से उसको लोग पसंद करते हैं. जैसे कोई भी एक बच्चा है, वो अच्छा है या खराब है वो लोगों की नजर में है ना? बट अगर एक ओवरऑल एनालिसिस करा जाए तो उस बच्चे की क्वालिटीज को हम कंसिडर करेंगे टू कॉल दैट पर्सन अ गुड पर्सन. यही तो है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. उसकी फिजिकल अपीयरेंस को तो हम कभी भी कंसिडर नहीं करेंगे. विल वी कंसिडर द फिजिकल अपीयरेंस ऑफ द चाइल्ड टू कॉल एज गुड और बैड? नहीं ना? ठीक है. ऐसे ही जो
No, ma'am.
डेमोक्रेसी,
No, ma'am.
जो फॉर्म्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट होते हैं उनमें वी ऑलवेज कंसिडर द बेसिक फीचर्स, एंड अगर वो बेसिक फीचर्स हमें जो है इन्फ्लुएंस कर पाते हैं और वो हमारे लिए हैं, देन ऑफ कोर्स वी विल गो फॉर दैट. तो डेमोक्रेसी एक ऐसी फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट है जो कि हर किसी को लगता है कि अगर हम उसको अडॉप्ट करते हैं तो वो हमारे लिए बेनिफिशियल रहेगी. ठीक है, और इसी चीज का ध्यान रखते हुए हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम डेमोक्रेसी को प्रिविलेंट करवाते हैं इन मोस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री. देखो, there are people who want to have only democratic form of government. Why? Because they feel that democracy gives freedom to its citizens to choose their own representatives. जो लोग तानाशाह होते हैं उनको वो लोग नहीं लेके आते हैं. If you see, every time in elections, after every 5 years, the government changes. गवर्नमेंट चेंज होती है ना हर 5 साल में इलेक्शंस के बाद.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
होती है.
Yes, ma'am.
और जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स होते हैं, जो मिनिस्टर्स होते हैं, वो भी चेंज होते हैं, लीडर्स भी चेंज होते हैं ना.
Yes, ma'am.
ये जो चेंजेस,
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
ये जो लीडर्स चेंज होते हैं या ये जो भी प्रोविजन चेंज होते हैं, ये सब इसीलिए पॉसिबल है बिकॉज इट इज डेमोक्रेसी. ठीक है, डेमोक्रेसी इज वन सच फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट विच अलाउज यू टू प्रैक्टिस एवरीथिंग दैट यू वांट टू, बट देयर इज ऑलवेज अ लिमिट पुट टू इट. है ना, एक लाइन होती है जिसको हमें क्रॉस नहीं करना होता है ना, हर चीज में.
Yes, ma'am.
स्कूल को देखो, स्कूल गिव्स यू ऑल काइंड ऑफ लिबर्टी, बट देन देयर आर सर्टेन नॉर्म्स आल्सो टू गिव यू दोस फैसिलिटीज. है ना, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
फाइन. अब हम फीचर्स में क्या पढ़ेंगे ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी, दैट पहला फीचर डेमोक्रेसी का होता है पीपल आर द रूलर्स. पीपल आर द रूलर्स. रूलर्स कैसे हुए लोग? हाउ पीपल आर द रूलर्स चिल्ड्रन इन डेमोक्रेसी? संस्कृति बताएंगी.
Ma'am, because okay, ma'am.
संस्कृति, would you tell? Sanskriti is not there in the class.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, beta, पूछिए.
Ma'am, that since ma'am 2 years, ma'am, we are reading chapters about democracy.
हाँ.
But why there is no chapter about monarchy and dictatorship?
Because these form of governments are not mostly prevalent, no, and neither people want these form of government to be practiced.
So, ma'am, we will not read have a chapter about it in
I already told
the
you in
next
class 7th
classes.
about monarchy. In class 7th, I told you about monarchy and other forms of government.
No, ma'am, a chapter based on it.
No, you don't have exclusive chapter based on it.
Okay, ma'am.
You can always read it, bacha. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So the second thing is, see, people are the rulers means they have the authority to choose the representatives. They in the elections, they give their will, they give their verdict that whichever person they want to bring into power, they choose that representatives, they vote for that representative, and the government is formed by the people who are chosen by the voters in the elections. Right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Then second thing, when we talk of elections,
Yes, ma'am.
that means one person, one vote, and one value. Right? This is what we do. This is what we do. One person, one vote, one value. Isn't it? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
when in a country elections are held, democratic country elections are held, in those elections, if people are going out, those who are eligible age, they are going out, they are voting, and if their votes are not considered, that means they are not fair elections, right? But if they are
Yes,
going,
ma'am.
they are voting, and the representatives that they choose comes to power, that means they are the ones whose vote has been given a value. Vote has been given a value. One person